begin.
All right, they're spinning up. Antithesis thought about going in for an attack on Bloodshot and decided no. Paradigm Spin is doing what Paradigm Spin does best, and that is bouncing around the arena. You love to see it.
And I love that Paradigm has that slight in the underfloor because it really does right up the arena when it's going flying. Listen to the grinding work.
We're getting samples from the latest 9 Inch Nails album here, courtesy of Bloodshot. Antithesis is moving around a little bit. Bloodshot, is just wheeling around on its spinner. I don't know if anyone can hear this. I can barely hear myself think, let alone speak.
I think only those on the live stream can hear you in that moment.
Oh! Paradigm Spin! No, that's Bloodshot even. Bloodshot is minus a wheel, but that doesn't really matter because it's not been driving on its wheel for the entirety of this battle. It's been only on the spinner.
The Paradigm Spin seems to have powered down. They seem to be stopped and out.
I think Paradigm Spin's out because it couldn't move. It could spin, but not move. So is Bloodshot going to carry on, or is Antithesis taking this?
By some miracle, I think it is now one spin.
Oh, Paradigm Spin, get out of there. You're out. You've been counted out.
Control is down.
Oh, is Bloodshot going to take this? Despite it's the Black Knight performance here.
Going down.
Minus one wheel. I think Antithesis, unfortunately, has ended up beached. And Bloodshot is going to take that. What a performance.